Hello and welcome back again on the final day of my push-up challenge. Right now I'm seeing one of the most beautiful parts of Austria, called Carinthia. So what's the difference between Australia and Austria? Australian has a lot of kangaroos and Austrian has a lot of beautiful places. But back to the challenge. Before I start, I would like to say a special thanks to Mr. Jim Morin. Thanks for your nomination. It was an honor for me to do this, and so one more time, thank you, Jim, and best regards to you and your family to Colorado Springs. What the fuck you are doing in Colorado Springs, my friend? I thought you are Canadian. Yeah. What's the matter with you? You tell me about this. Okay, the push-ups today, I will search for a special man that you also knew. It is Oliver. He died 2005 also on suicide. And so I would like to do the push-ups today in memory to Oliver. This person I've never seen before. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, and so the final nomination goes back to the USA, to the streets of Philadelphia, to a very smart and tough guy. And so I nominate the traveling teacher, Mr. Outback, Alexander, the explorer, James. Welcome to the challenge. Okay, that's the end of my challenge, and so stay tuned, my friends, take care and see you soon. Bye.